Hola and welcome to my channel, Casa Refined. My name is Jorge and today I have a fun winter wreath DIY. This wreath is Scandinavian inspired. It's very minimal and it's perfect not just for the holidays but for the winter season. Lately I've been editing down my home and I'm trying to keep things clean and simple. And so a wreath like this is just what I needed. If you have 20 minutes to spare and are budget friendly, then this is the one for you. So let's get started.
So this DIY actually does not require very many materials. I started with a 14-inch floral hoop, some dry branches from the backyard, and some green picks. It could be any ones you like. Then you'll also need some floral wire or some twist ties is what I used. I'm spray painting my hoop a brass finish because mine came in a silver finish. They sell some that are already brass, so I can just link that for you if you just want to skip that step. Essentially what I'm doing now is I'm breaking apart the branches into smaller pieces, and I'm doing this for all of them. And what that's going to do is it's going to make it easier to work with and allow it to create more of a curve around the wreath, if that makes sense. I'm doing this also with the dry branches, making sure that they're not too short because I'm looking for a more natural feel, and allowing them to be longer and sort of stick out is sort of what I'm looking for. So what I'm doing now is laying down the branches on the wreath to sort of see how I would like it. I'm going for a more symmetrical look, and so I'm trimming accordingly and just laying down all the dry branches first before moving on to the green ones. And then I'm just taking some floral wire to secure the branches onto the hoop. So as you can see, I'm still adding branches one by one just to ensure that everything is balanced, and then really securing it with the floral wire. The last thing you want is this falling apart. And then I'm also moving on to the green branches, and what I'm doing is laying them out, of course, to ensure that they're symmetrical on both sides, but I am working my way in. So I'm starting with the outer edge and layering as I make my way towards the center. As you can see, I'm just layering all these different greens on here and really making it fuller. Of course, you can use some hot glue to secure them, but I'm just sort of weaving them in, and that seems to be working fine. I really love this one right here that looks so real and has the little berries on them. I'm not sure what it is. Let me know if you know what it is. I'm really curious. But you can really take this to town and really create this out of any of the branches that you're using in your decor this season. You can go all out with glitter, or maybe even you have blue this season. So really this is versatile, and you can even add probably ornaments on them. And finally, you want to tie this off with some nice ribbon. I'm using a 1/2-inch black satin ribbon. I'm not gonna lie, I was having a little bit of trouble with this. Originally, I was gonna tie it a little bit off to the side and hang this wreath a little bit off center, I ended up not liking it. So as you'll see in the final footage, I ended up tying it in the center of the branches. So let's take a look at the final footage.
Alright, that was today's video. Thank you so much for following along this tutorial. This wreath is going to look amazing in your house. Leave a comment below, let me know what you think, and if you want to see more DIY from me, be sure to give me some love, like, and subscribe for more home decor content. Also, go check out my Instagram. Anyways, bye.